Aloha, I'm Chef JJ. Today I'm going to show you how to make fresh silken tofu in one of the simplest forms possible, actually using a microwave. It's a very, very quick process. First we're going to start with fresh soy milk. Very, very important that you use a good quality fresh soy milk. Some of the mass-produced soy milks, they just won't set up. We're very fortunate here in Hawaii to have Aloha Tofu that makes a fresh soy milk that's very readily available in many, many places. We're going to take 4 ounces, so that's going to be 1/2 of a cup of our fresh soy milk. And now we're actually going to put it in the microwave. The reason being, we need to heat this up to 165 degrees. So now that we've run our cycle, I'm going to do a quick check. Sometimes you're going to get a little bit of a skin that forms. You want to just get rid of that. Great, we've made our 165 degrees. There we go. We'll pull that little bit of skin off. Now for the nigari. So for 4 ounces, we're going to use 1/4 of a teaspoon of the nigari. Just give it a little bit of a stir. And we're going to cover this and let it sit for about 10 minutes. Now with the nigari, this is actually what makes tofu. There's 2 ingredients in tofu. You have soy milk, you have nigari. Nigari is actually, this particular one is derived from seawater. It comes very, very deep from right here in our Hawaiian Islands. This is made by Sea Salts of Hawaii off of the Big Island in the city of Kona. This is just such an incredible product, and it's actually a byproduct of creating sea salts. It is the very last little bit of liquid that drips off in the final stages of drying our sea salt. Very, very healthy. It's full of magnesium, and magnesium is actually what coagulates our soy milk. Now, after we've waited about 10 minutes to just let it sit here, you can see it's got that nice little jiggle to it. It's set up really, really nicely. So at this point, if you want it a little bit more firm, you could chill it, but I wouldn't wait that long. It's really good right now.